As a universal tool, Excel offers many advantages, including extensive analysis and presentation functionality. However, Excel is not a project and resource planning tool. Rillsoft Project, on the other hand, supports you in resource and capacity planning. With the export function, you can easily transfer the data obtained from a capacity reconciliation in Rillsoft Project to MS Excel. We demonstrate how this works in Rillsoft Project using a portfolio consisting of 3 projects. We select Start Capacity Views Employee to calculate the capacity reconciliation for the entire portfolio. From the capacity view, we can see how the allocated roles are utilized throughout the entire portfolio. Since the timescale is set to weeks 1:1, the role utilization values are displayed in weeks. Of course, we can flexibly adjust the timescale to our needs, for example, displaying it in days or months. We return to the week 1:1 setting. Important: how the capacity utilization is displayed on the screen, for example, time units, table content, expanded/collapsed, filters, etc., will be exported to Excel in exactly the same way. Whether the role effort is shown in person days or person hours depends on the project settings. We click Start, Properties, Project, General. In the Project Settings block, we can see in the effort field that the role requirement is represented in person hours. We want to display the employees from our resource pool who are suitable to meet this requirement in the view. We click on plus in the table. Nothing happens. To check what information is approved for display, we click on the Human Resource Capacity Planning Format tab. In the Show block, we mark the employee option and also the activity chart option so we can track which tasks are causing the role utilization. However, instead of taskbars, the respective effort values are displayed in the Excel table. We can view this by turning off the taskbars option and selecting the activity values option. Back to the Start Outline tab. We want to display all the details and click the corresponding menu item. Then we hide the balance column from the table. Right-click on the title area, select Column Arrangement, and uncheck the balance field. Of course, we can add other parameters for tasks in the table, such as duration, resource utilization, and resource quantity. We confirm our selection with OK. We can structure the project information according to other criteria by clicking Start, Outline Structure. For example, Project, Role, Employee. The capacity reconciliation is then displayed by project. We return to the role employee structure and display the details. You can filter the information to be exported both temporally and resource-wise. Now we want to export exactly this view of the capacity reconciliation for the portfolio to MS Excel. We select the menu item file, Export MS Excel. As a result, the last open view is exported. Alternatively, we can select the Format tab of the view, for example, Human Resource Capacity Planning Format, and click the Excel button. This is how the above-mentioned personnel capacity view looks after export to MS Excel. The red numbers possibly indicate an overload or underutilization. Through color formatting, we can better understand the capacity reconciliation data. For example, display effort demand in yellow, effort difference in green, and personnel in blue. You can find other videos on our YouTube channel Rillsoft.